I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the essentials are ready: Python, a virtualenv, and the Tesseract OCR engine. Once installed, create and activate a venv so dependencies don't pollute system Python. Then pip install Pillow, OpenCV, and Pytesseract. These let you load images, preprocess, and call Tesseract. Make sure Tesseract is on path and call Tesseract version to verify. Now open your editor and create a simple script that imports CV2 pil, image, and Pytesseract to begin processing an example image. Once you can load images, focus on preprocessing to improve OCR accuracy. Convert to grayscale, then try adaptive thresholding or Otsu's method to separate text from background. Use bilateral or median blur to remove noise and morphological ops to close gaps. Descue by detecting contours or hoe lines if text is tilted. After transforming the image to high contrast, pass the numpy array or PIL image to Pytesseract. Image to string with an appropriate PSM and test data language to extract cleaner text results. You finish by post-processing OCR output. Normalize whitespace, run regex to extract structured fields, and apply spell check or custom dictionaries to correct errors. If you need only digits or specific characters, pass tessedit char whitelist via config to reduce noise. Make sure to save intermediate images to debug. If results are poor, inspect the saved preprocessed image at full size, vary thresholding and kernel sizes, or try different PSM modes. One key tip: low resolution or heavy compression often ruins OCR, so use the highest quality source available.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.